morning, students. So in previous class we are discussing about different types of sets. There are so many different types of sets, you know. Okay. Now based on those different types of sets, to solve some more problems. Now here problem number 8, main problem number 8. Now what is the question? If A, B, C, D are four sets, A is the set consisting of four elements 1, 2, 3, 4. B is the set consisting of four elements 3, 4, 5, 6. C is the set consisting of four numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. And D is the set consisting of four numbers 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the question, find A union B. Second one, find A union C. Third one, find B union C. Fourth one, find B union D. Fifth one, find A union B union C. Sixth one, A union B union D. Seventh one, B union C union D. By using the definition of union of two sets, by solving the problems. As you know the definition of union of two sets, if A and B are any two non-empty sets, then the union of two sets A and B is denoted by A union B and is defined as for every element in general say X such that either that element belongs to first set or belongs to second set or belongs to both the sets. ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ A union B. Look here, A union B, union ಸಂಯೋಗಗಳ union means combination of both the sets. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿಡೋದು. ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 2 3 4, already divided in 3 4, don't repeat it. Then next number 5 6. This is A union B. One mark, very simple question. Okay students, next one, second one, find A union C, that is equal to A set 1 2 3 4, C set 5 6 7 8. Combination of both the elements, both the sets, that is 1 2 3 4, then continue 5 6 7 8. This is A union C. Okay, similarly third question answer, find B union C. B set contains 4 elements, C set contains 4 elements. Again combination of both the sets, B union C is equal to 3 4 5 6. 5 6 already taken. Next number 7 8. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸೋದು, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರದು, ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಫೈಂಡ್ B union D. B and D, observe it. B set contains 3 4 5 6. D set contains 7 8 9 10. B union D combination 3 4 5 6, then D 7 8 9 10. This is B union D. Clear students? Next, fifth one, find A union B union C is equal to A B C. ಮೂರು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. A ಲೈನ್ಗೆ 1 2 3 4, B ಲೈನ್ 3 4 5 6, C ಲೈನ್ 5 6 7 8. Combination of all sets ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 2 3 4, then 5 6, then 5 6 already taken. Next number 7 8. This is A union B union C, right? Then sixth one, find A union B union D is equal to, observe it, A B D. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? combination 1 2 3 4, A union B. B is 3 4 already taken, 5 6, then D set 7 8 9 10. This is A union B union D, right? Then seventh one, Seventh one is ನೋಡಿ find B union C union D. B C D observe ಮಾಡಿ. B set C set D set ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 4 5 6 B set union C set 5 6 already taken, remaining number 7 8, then D 7 8 taken, remaining two number 9 10. This is B union C union D. These are the examples of union of two sets. Clear students? Similarly, problem number 8, main problem number 8. So 8th problem, what is that? Find the intersection of. Now here, find the intersection of each of the following pairs of sets. Each of the following pairs of sets. First one, x is equal to 1 3 5. Y is the set 1 2 3. Now to simplify one by one, find intersection. Now here to find x intersection what? Intersection means what? Common elements among those two sets. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ that is known as intersection. ನೋಡಿ, among those two sets what is common number? I think only one number, that is 3. X intersection y is 3. Here similarly, second question, let x A is the set A E I O U. Okay, B is the set consisting of 3 numbers, 3 elements A B C. Find the intersection. A intersection is very simple question. Intersection means what? Common element among those two sets. What are the common numbers? A is there, then what other element? Illa. Only one element, that is A. Right? Then third question. A is equal to x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number and multiple of 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X is a natural number, multiple of 3. B is the set x such that again x is a natural number. X is a natural number less than 6. Now the question is to find the intersection. Now these two are builder form, isn't it? So to convert builder form into roster form. So how to convert it? Now here A is the set consisting of x natural numbers. Natural numbers ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂತ natural numbers ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Which are multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 tables. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 21 and so on. This is A set, that is roster form. Similarly, B set ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ? Again natural number. Take natural number condition. Those natural number less than 6. Less than 6 ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ numbers ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವೆ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 numbers. Correct? Now the question is find intersection A intersection B among those two sets. What are common elements? Common elements ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ? 3 ಒಂದಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು? only one number, that is 3. Correct? So A intersection B is singleton set, that is 3. Clear students? Now similarly, if you take one more example, that is fourth one. A is the set consisting of x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number and that natural number lies between 1 and 6. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Similarly, B is the set x is a natural number. X is a natural number, right? And those natural number lies between 6 and 10. Find A intersection. Nori, these two are in builder form. Okay, these two are builder form. To convert builder form into roster form, how to convert? A is equal to, observe it, natural number ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಆ natural number ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? Lies between x and natural number. Take the natural number. That natural number lies between 1 and 6. 1 less than x. 1 less than x means x is more than 1. 1 ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು, r ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. This is a semi closed interval. One side closed ಇದೆ, one side open. Open at 1, closed at 6. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? More than 1, less than or equal to 6. Namely 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 6 equal to 6. This is roster form. Similarly, B is the set consisting of natural number. Take the natural number such that natural number lies between 6 and 10. Only less than, that is open interval. Open interval 6, 10 means what? More than 6, less than 10. More than 6, less than 10 is 7, 8, 9. Right? Now the question, find A intersection B. Observe it. Among those two sets, is there any common element? No common element. No common element. That is known as empty set, denoted by empty. 5. Here students, A intersection B is equal to empty. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Okay. Similarly, next one. Next, problem number 9. Main problem number 9. Consider the sets. If A is a set consisting of some elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. B is the set consisting of 4 elements 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay. C is the set consisting of 3 numbers 11, 13, 15, and D is the set consisting of 2 numbers, namely 15, 17. Now the question is, find A intersection B. Second one, find B intersection C. Very simple question. Third one, find A intersection C intersection D. Fourth one, find A intersection C. Fifth one, find B intersection D. Sixth question, find A intersection B union C. Seventh one, find A intersection D. Eighth one, A intersection B union D. Okay. Then the ninth one, find A intersection B intersection B union C. 10th one, find A union D intersection B union C. Intersection B union C. Okay. Now based on the definition of intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Okay. How many sets are given? 4 sets are given. Namely, A is the set consisting of how many numbers? 5 numbers. B is the set consisting of how many numbers? 4 numbers. C is the set consisting of how many numbers? 3 numbers. And D is the set consisting of 2 numbers, namely 15 and 17. Now find one by one question. Each problem carries 1 mark. They will ask in final exam. Very simple question. Look here. Now based on the definition of intersection of two sets. You know the definition of intersection. Intersection means common elements among those two sets. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಓಕೆ, now here find A intersection B. Observe it. A set contains 5 numbers, B set contains 4 numbers. Among those two, what is common element? Have you already 7, 9, then 11. 3 numbers, 7, 9, 11. That is A intersection. Clear? Then second one, find B intersection C. Observe it. B set and C set. B ಮತ್ತು C set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ? 11 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕಾಮನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು? 13. So 11, 13. This is intersection. Okay. Third one, simple ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. A intersection C intersection D. A intersection C ಮೊದಲು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A intersection C ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. A intersection C. A ಮತ್ತು C ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದು? 11. Only one number 11. Intersection D ದಲ್ಲಿ 15, 17. D set. Right? Now among those two, what is common number? No common element, that is empty. Correct? Empty ಆಗುತ್ತಾನೆ? ಹೌದಾ? So next term, fourth one, find A intersection C. Only A intersection C. A set, C set. Among those two sets, what is common element? Only one number, that is 11. Correct? Next, fifth one, find B intersection D. Observe it. B set contains 4 elements. D set contains 2 elements. Among those 2 elements, is there any common? B and D? No common element, that is known as empty set, denoted by 5. Correct? Then sixth one, find B that is A intersection B union C. That is equal to A set ಇದೆ 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, intersection as it is. B union C. Union means combination of both the sets B and C. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7, 9, 11, 13, then one more 15. B union C. In between these two sets, notation is intersection. Intersection means common elements among those two sets. You heard of the common ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. What are the common numbers? 3 is there? No. 5 is there in second set? No. 7 is there? Yes. Intersection is 7. 9 is there? Yes. 11 number is there? Yes. Only 3 elements common. 7, 9, 11. Clear? Then seventh one. Seventh question. Find A intersection D. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. A intersection D. A set 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. D set 15, 17. Is there any common among those two sets A and D? No common element. That is known as empty set. Clear? Then eighth one. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Eighth question. Find A intersection B union D. That is equal to A set ಇದೆ 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B union D. B ಮತ್ತು D observe ಮಾಡಿ. In between these two notation is union. Union means combination of both the sets B and D. That is 7, 9, 11, 13, then D. 15, 17. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. Okay. In between these two sets, notation is intersection. Intersection means common Among those two sets, what are common numbers? 3 is there in second set? No. 5 is there? No. 7 is there? Yes. 9 is there? Yes. 11 number? Yes. Only 3 numbers. 7, 9, 11. Correct? Oh. Next, 8th one, 9th one. 9th one is find A intersection B union C is equal to ಮೊದಲು A intersection B ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A set B set observe ಮಾಡಿ. Among those two sets, what are common element among A set and B set? A ಮತ್ತು B set common ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 7 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 9 ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 11. So 3 numbers 7, 9, 11. 8. Again intersection B union C, union combination of both sets B and C. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 7, 9, 11, 13, 10, 15. Correct? In between these two, intersection is common element among those two numbers. Common number 7, 9, 11. Right? Okay, fine. Next, 10th one. Find A union D intersection B union C. A union D, union means combination of both the sets A and D. A ಮತ್ತು D observe ಮಾಡಿ, combination, combined. What are the elements? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next, D set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಿದೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. Take those numbers 15, 17. Right? Next notation, intersection B union C. Observe B set and C set. Combination of both the sets. What are the numbers? 7, 9, 11, then 13, then 15. Right? So among those two, in between these two, notation is intersection. Intersection is common among those two sets. What are common numbers? So observe what common numbers? 7, 9, 11, then 15. So A union D intersection B union C. Common number 7, 9, 11, 15. 7, 9, 11, 15. These two are the common. These four elements are the common. Clear students? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Union means combination of both the sets. Intersection means among those two sets, what are the common elements? Common elements ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is intersection. A ಮತ್ತು B ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾವಲ್ಲ, that is union of two sets. Clear students? Okay. Yes, student. Next problem. Problem number 10. If A is the set consisting of x number of natural numbers, B is the set consisting of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. C is the set again x such that x is an odd natural numbers, and D is a set x number of numbers such that x is a prime numbers. These are all in builder form. Now first write in roster form. After that, find the question A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. You know the definition of intersection of two sets. Okay. Now first to convert builder form into roster form. Now here solution A is a set consisting of x number such that x x should be natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Counting numbers. Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. Then B is a set consisting of even numbers. That is given 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Right? And C is a set consisting of odd natural numbers. What are odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Okay. And D is the set consisting of prime numbers. ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. Prime number means what? Definition of prime number. An integer which is greater than 1 is said to be prime if its divisors are 1 and itself. ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಭಾಗಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ that is known as prime number. ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. 1 and itself. Now for example 2 ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 and 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು. Then next 3, yes it is prime. If you take 4 is not prime. Why? 4 ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ? ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Not it is not a prime. Then 5, yes. 7 prime number. 9 no, because 9 is divisible by 1. 3 and 9, another number is 3, that is not prime. Okay, next 11, then 13 and so on. So many numbers. We got all those therefore. Using this, now to find one by one, first one is find A intersection B. Nodi A set ಇದೆ, B set ಇದೆ, among those two what are common numbers? One common ಇದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. 2 is there, yes, intersection is 2. 3 is there, no. 4 is there, yes. Next 6, then 5 is there, no. 6 is there, yes. 6 is there, 5 6 7 8 and so on. So many numbers. Next 8, next 10 and so on. Right? This is A intersection. Clear students? Oh, next second one. Now do find A intersections. Observe it, A and C set. Among those two sets, what are the common elements? Observe it, common number 1 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, then 7 is there. 7 is common or not? Yes, if 5 is there, then the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so many numbers. 7 is common, then 9 is also common, and so on. Right? Then third one is A intersection D. Find A intersection D. Observe A and D set. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 natural number. D set prime number. Among those two, A set 2 ಮತ್ತು D set ಅಲ್ಲಿ common number 2. Next 3, then 5, then 7 is common. Yes, it is 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. 11 number ಬರುತ್ತಾ common? Yes. 13 number ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Yes. And so on. This is A intersection. Next, find fourth one B intersection C. Observe it, B set and C set. B set 2, 4, 6, 8. C set odd numbers. Among those two, what are common number? Is there any common? 1 is there in the set B set? No. 2 is there in the set C? No. 4 is there in the set C? No. 6 is there in the set? No. So B intersection C. No common element. ಯಾವುದು common number ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. That is empty set having no element. Clear? Then fifth one is find B intersection D. B intersection D. Observe it, B and D. Among those two, what are common number? 2 ಒಂದಿದೆ ತಾನೇ common. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 3, 5, 7, 11. No, only one number. That is B intersection D is common number is 2. Correct? Then sixth one is sixth question. Find C intersection D. Observe it, C and D. D set to 3 set element sets are common ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Among those the set C and D. 1 is there in the set D? No. 2 is there.